Fluidity. Adaptive Icon Pack is an Android application designed to provide users with a collection of beautifully designed adaptive icons that can enhance the visual style of their home screens and app drawers. This app caters to individuals who want to personalize their devices by applying a cohesive and modern aesthetic to their app icons. Typically, Fluidity features a wide range of icons crafted in various styles and colors, ensuring compatibility with many different themes and wallpapers. The adaptive nature of these icons means that they can dynamically adjust to fit different shapes and sizes, depending on the device's launcher, creating a seamless look. In addition to the extensive icon collection, the app may include features such as regular updates with new icons, support for dynamic icons, like clocks and weather, and options for customizing the appearance of icons to suit users' preferences. Overall, Fluidity Adaptive Icon Pack serves as a creative tool for those looking to elevate the design of their Android devices and express their personal style through customization.